Learn how Mail Merge can help you spread holiday cheer in this month's tips and tricks by Planet Technologies. If you're sending holiday letters this holiday season, Mail Merge can help you customize these letters in a fraction of the time while still adding personal touch to each one. Mail Merge isn't just for holiday letters though, and can be used in plenty of other scenarios where you might need to send customized letters. Let's get started by opening up Word. In this case, I'm already creating a holiday party invitation, but you can do this from any other template within Word or even your own creation, whether you're writing a letter or creating an invitation like I am. I might be sending this out to dozens of people, and I want to customize these invitations to each of those individuals, because we'll see on my holiday party, I have "you're invited." I want to put the person's name there. And at the very bottom, it says, "please bring," and the contribution here. Maybe I already have a list of the individual things that I want each person to bring. I don't want to have to manually type this out, especially if it's for a large group of people. So let's leverage Mail Merge to make this happen more easily for us. We're going to go to the very top of the ribbon and click Mailings towards the middle of this list and start Mail Merge. There's a few options here for us, but we're going to use the step-by-step Mail Merge wizard that will walk us step-by-step through the process. There's a few different options available to us here. We're going to go ahead and select letters and then go to next in the top or the bottom right of the selection. Here it says use current document or start from a template. In my case, I'm going to use the current document and then hit next. This is where we'll select the recipients. I can type a new list or I can use an existing list. In my case, I've already created a list in Excel. Now, this is something you might have been working on this whole time, adding names, addresses, email addresses, and the contribution. And we see that we have individual columns for each of those. So we're going to use that in today's example. In that case, I'm going to go to Browse and select this. I'll select the sheet that all of my data is on, and I'm going to say first row contains column headers. This will show me all the data that I can then sort or remove that will be within that sheet that I'll use for this Mail Merge. I'm going to hit OK and next. From here, I can start to customize the fields that we see. You also see in the very top ribbon, I have an insert mail or insert merge field towards the middle. So what I want to do is insert the name first of each of the people coming. So I'm going to change this and put the person's name before that. So if I do insert merge field, it then shows me the different column headers. In this case, I just want to add the person's first name. We'll do insert and close. I'll do comma and a space for the correct formatting. But I also want to add the contribution that's below that they'll need to bring. So maybe some chips or some other equipment. So I can either use the insert merge field option like we saw before, or I can do more items from the step-by-step to the right. When I select this, I can choose contribution or any of the other options from this list, do insert and close, and now we'll see how it says contribution. Go ahead and preview our letters. So in this case, it shows Adele, you're invited to celebrate with us, shows all the information, but then also shows that this person should be bringing chips and salsa. I can also review by clicking the forward arrow at the top and see the next person as well. So Megan is bringing dessert. And then Alex is bringing party favors, and so on. So once I'm ready to either print this out or email it out to everyone, I can go up to the top of the ribbon and choose Finish and Merge. And I can either edit individual documents where I can print out individual documents by the print option, or in this case, edit, or I can send the email messages. That's where it comes into play, where I have the email addresses in the Excel document. I can go back to Finish and Merge. I can send email, and then I'll do "you're invited." What this will do is view the email addresses in my Excel sheet and send out this Mail Merge to everyone who is there. And that's going to be how you can send a simple Mail Merge to everyone on your holiday list this year. Thanks for watching this month's tips and tricks on how to use Mail Merge this holiday season. Give us a follow and stay tuned for future tips and tricks. Thanks and happy holidays.